So I have had so far 49% results, which is really good.
49%. Is this on your entire portfolio?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for your time. Please tell us your name and where you're from and what you do.
My name is Dima. I am based in Sweden. I work as a sales manager for a British company called Sophos, and I handle the entire Nordics, Middle East, and Africa.
Wonderful. Wow. Okay, good. So what was your level of knowledge about trading and investing before you came to us?
Not so much. Basically, I started learning about investing in general in November, and I started going little by little into cryptocurrency. I bought things here and there, but I was feeling very lost. Okay, when shall I sell? When shall I buy? In stocks, I could find some robo-advisors that I could put some capital in there, and I know they do things for me. But in crypto, it was very stressful, to say.
Okay, and so what was the best thing about the club?
Well, first of all, I took your advice. I read all the courses. I stopped, whatever I bought in there, I just let it be. And then I listened to all the videos, and it's good to have a methodology, okay, of when to enter, when to exit. So when the market was going down, I was like stressed like hell. Now, when it goes down, I feel okay. It's just taking the emotions out of it. And I was reading a lot about you need to take your emotions away, you need to stay down, but I was not really figuring out what is the best way to do it. And the club helped me in that, to have a structure to this. So I'm more calm. What kind of asset allocation, like to go in crypto. If I invest more, I know I'm actually aware that I am investing more of my capital. So I'm ready to take the consequence. So it is like that.
Fantastic. Okay, so tell us about your results then.
So I have had so far 49% results, which is really good.
49%. Is this on your entire portfolio?
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yes. So how much money went in?
Yeah.
So how much SEC? So I transfer with SEC to my account.
Yeah.
And then I buy and sell. And then what is the total dollar value of my portfolio converted to SEC? And that results in 49%.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel really good. I even took $2,000 out. And I use it for something else. So
yeah,
I called it realized profit because I really took it out. So and I tried to measure how much money I have in stable coins, so at least to see how much of the investment is there. And now if I want to go more aggressive, and I reinvest that in the new coins that we get from the webinars, and to see how that goes. So keep the wheel going.
Very good. What would you? What do you think about our follow-up support?
I really like these coaching sessions. So when I have a question, I have a very busy schedule at work. But I study in the night, and then if I have a question, I join and I ask. The webinars are really good. I don't know how Dennis manages to do the webinar and answer and look at the questions. You know, he is really awesome.
Should I tell you what his secret is?
What?
He is awesome. Do you want to know what his secret is? Okay, here it is. Are you ready?
Yes.
This.
What is that?
He drinks this stuff all day long. I have no idea what it is, and he keeps giving me it. Oh man! But anyway, so that's the secret.
That looks very interesting.
It's some kind of gloopy. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is healthy stuff. Gives him energy. Gives him energy all day.
Really good. Really good. He's very energetic. Yeah, I agree.
He is, absolutely, and he really wants to help as well. In fact, all of our team, people only stay with Investment Mastery if they really come from their heart space and really want to help and go the extra mile, because we have to sometimes, So what would you say to anybody who's thinking about joining, who's like, etc.? What would you say to them?
I would say you need to invest money to gain money, and you need to invest in your knowledge. And I was actually considering, it's maybe a big amount to start, but when I divided by month and I put it to my capital and how much I would like to grow my capital and how much knowledge, so I would say definitely it's worth the investment I made. And I'm completely honest about that. And I have referred a couple of my colleagues who started asking me about crypto. It's like they just want to buy, they put some money on Binance and they just want to buy stuff. And I'm telling him, listen, you need to take it, you need to take a step back, because then it's about like gambling. Yeah, you can win in gambling.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's my experience.
That's
Invest
most
in your
people.
knowledge.
Most people don't have, invest in your knowledge. They don't have a strategy, and it's a shame, because when it goes up, they'll be, oh, it's great, but then when it goes down, they don't know what to do, and they'll panic. So please do make sure that they come on a webinar and listen, and then make a decision about joining the club or not, because we put a lot of effort into it, and I think the results show. So, hey, listen, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to being able to interview maybe in 6 months' time and see how you're doing then, if that's okay.
Absolutely.
Wonderful.